you are going to love the 2014 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, XM satellite radio, heated seats, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.